Hey guys, Ellie Makes is back, and today I have my last ScrawlrBox. I got a 3-box subscription for the ScrawlrBox. If you don't know what it is, I'll put the link in the description down below. And let's open this. It's so sad, it's my last one. I've had a lot from the other ones. You can go check out my videos from before of my other 2 boxes I got. Those were really fun. And I'm excited to open this. And I don't know if you saw my other ones. If you did, this is a new box. I wonder what's in it. Whoa, wait a second. Whoa. Wait a second. Whoa. What is this? It's like this little mini sketchbook. And it looks really cool on the front. That's really cool. Okay. Well then. Oh, what is the featured artist? Art. Says create more, just like the sketchbook says. Whoa. It's for has glitter and it has white and it's wow. And the featured artist is Rob Draper. And he has an Instagram and a website. So I'm going to open up this little package here with the tiny little sticker. Oh, that sticker is absolutely amazing. I'm putting that on my sketchbook. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. First thing looks like a gold dazzle. What's a gold dazzle? Okay, so I'll look at this. The gold dazzle is a plant-based super sparkly glitter. A plant-based glitter? Huh, that's interesting. Okay. That's cool. Fine liners, I've been waiting for this to happen. It's Faber-Castell 4 artist pens. So this has fine liners. It has SFMB. It looks like a thin one, not as thin one, not as thin one, and then a brush pen. That's really cool. And a pencil, and it's metallic. And oh, is this the ScrawlrBox company? ScrawlrBox company. Wait. Whatever. It says ScrawlrBox. ScrawlrBox Viking. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so custom ScrawlrBox Viking pencil. Viking has been producing high-quality graphite pencils in Denmark for over 100 years, and we have collaborated with them to produce your custom ScrawlrBox pencil, especially for this box. It has a stunning gold dipped. Okay, anyway, so that's cool. Looks really cool, and it's just a pencil. Just a regular pen. So that's cool. And a white gel pen! Yay! Okay, let's see what the company is. It is a Uniball Signo Broad Gel Rollerball pen. Signo and whoa, that's nice. That's nice. Wait, is this? Oh wait, this is my UK candy because this is from the UK. It just looks like, for a second I just thought it was a little plastic gold thing, but I think it's gold chocolate. Like, with the, not gold chocolate, just chocolate covered in gold. Okay, so what is this? This is, the Stick It glue pen. Oh my gosh! I've always wanted one of these. This is glue in a pen. So you don't have to go get your glue and get it all over your hands and trying just to glue a piece of paper onto cardboard. You just take this and you color with glue. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay. The last thing here is 2 pieces of tan tone paper. It doesn't say anything about this tan tone paper, but it feels like cardboard, like cereal box cardboard. Like that thin cereal box cardboard. But it's a really nice color. I'm excited to use this. This is probably one of my favorite boxes so far, and I didn't do anything with it yet. Keep scrolling. I can't anymore because it's over. It's my last box. Anyway, actually there's a discount for boxes that are from before. Okay, I'm gonna eat my candy. Tastes like chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna just test out these products real quick. And this little sketch pad they gave me, I love this. It's very pretty on the front. So I start out with the pencil. It's gold, it's a pencil, it's a regular pencil. Except for it's very dark. So yeah, it's a regular pencil. And then the white gel pen was very smooth, very nice. I really like that. Now these pens were very, very amazing. Everything's amazing in this box. I love this box. Probably my favorite one I've ever gotten from ScrawlrBox. I've only gotten 2 others though. So the pens are very nice. I really like the brush pen too. It's very good for calligraphy. So I really like these pens. Winsor & Newton pens. By the way, the Scrawler Challenge is something out of nothing. So I have to draw something based off of something out of nothing. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I start out on my drawing. Something out of nothing. It took me a while to think of, like always. Everything takes me a while to think of for these Scrawler boxes. And I finally thought of the genie. The genie from Aladdin can make something out of nothing. So I decide I can draw him, and even though I can't color him blue, I can still shade with my pens and do cross-hatching. And so I started doing this. The paper is really nice. It's like drawing on thin cardboard, and I really enjoyed that paper very much. And so the pens, they work perfectly, and then look how much that white gel pen pops up on the paper. Like it looks like paper and just, I don't know, it's just crazy. It's paper white. It's awesome. And the cross-hatching worked nicely, kind of. Anyway, I don't know the difference in between plant-based glitter and regular glitter. I did enjoy making the glitter, except for it got all over my table. And the glue pen was very nice because it wasn't thick. All you have to do is just squirt it a little bit, get it out. It's very nice. I enjoy that, and I use it a lot now for crafts and everything instead of just using a regular glue bottle. And when I touch this glitter after it dries, it doesn't get on your fingers, so that's very nice. It doesn't spread anywhere. And I smeared this gel pen at the end when it was still wet so I can make that effect on the, what do you call it? Tail? I don't know. Anyway, here's the finished product. I really like this. This is my favorite box I've ever gotten from ScrawlrBox. And I enjoy using these products a lot. So I definitely recommend these. Get them. Well, that's it for me. Now it's your turn.